it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven, and thank you very much for joining me today. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY crinkled tissue paper. So this stuff can be quite expensive. So this is what it would look like if you got it from the shop. I got these two colours, so I got orange and black. They were £1 each from Card Factory, I believe. And you don't always get quite a lot in a pack for £1, so it can work out quite expensive, especially if you have to buy a few packs. So I picked up these sheets of tissue paper, and you get it in a pack like this. These were from the range, and these were £1. So I got this one here, which is the fall collection, and you get 20 in the pack for £1. And as you can see, you get a few sheets of different colours, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own, because like I said, it will work out far more cheaper to do it this way than to buy ones from the shop. Now obviously if you're wanting just one pack from the shop, then that's fine, but this is more for when you're wanting multiple packs. It will work out more cheaper. So I think it depends on what shredder you get, depends on the size that it's going to cut, because I had a shredder that cuts them like this size, but this time I've got a shredder that cuts them slightly bigger. So this is probably be about 1/4 of an inch wide. So I think it depends on what shredder you get. It depends on what width it will cut your paper. Shredders can be quite expensive. They can start from £10, which I think is the cheapest I've seen if you get it from Argos or a supermarket or somewhere like that, and they can vary from up to £50. But my suggestion is go round your charity shops, because this is where I found mine. So this is a Pro Action shredder, and I only paid £2 for this shredder. Then like I said, you'll need your sheets of tissue paper, and these are £1 for a pack of 20 or however many this is. So pick up the big sheets and the ones that have a variety of different colours in there. And then I've also picked up the cello bags. I think these were 8x8 from the range. These were also £1, so I picked up them to store my crinkle paper in. So all in all, this has cost me roughly about £5–6 for this lot to make your own crinkle paper. So it's working out cheap so far. So what you would do is, I'm going to do the autumn colours. Okay, so let's open them up, and you can see they are quite big sheets. I think they're A2 size. So let's go for a green one. So I just get one of the sheets out, and I like to just fold it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I fold it up and make sure that it's the same width as this bit here where you're going to put your tissue paper in. Okay, and I'm not going to do this on camera because it is going to be quite noisy. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will come back. Okay, so I have done that, and as you can see, it has shredded them, and it doesn't look that much at the minute because it is all clumped together. So what I like to do is, while it's in there, I like to separate it all, and I just keep doing that until they're all separated. I will go in and I will just scrunch it up with my hand like this. Okay, and then again undo it all and just keep scrunching it up undoing it, scrunching it to make sure that I get every little bit and scrunching all that up. Okay. And the good thing is that when you buy a multi-pack of different colours, I just love the feeling of going to my drawer and knowing that I'll have the colour that I want for a particular project. So for instance, Halloween, I had some purple in my projects, so I wanted purple tissue paper, and I knew that I had that in my drawer because I bought like a multi-pack of different colours. And I just love that, you know, and I didn't have to go to the shop and buy just a purple. So yeah, I just thought it was a great idea to make your own. So I'm going to bring that out. Okay, and as you can see, and like I said, you just keep scrunching it up, separating it, and then you can make your own crinkled tissue paper. And I just pop these, I just pop this in there, like so. Make sure I get every little bit. And then I can seal that up till I want to use that particular colour. Like so. And then I've got this basket, and I'm going to store all my crinkled papers in here. And then when I need a colour, I can just come into this basket and I can grab it. So there we go. So I hope that was helpful. You've all probably seen how to do this anyway, but I thought I would just bring it to my channel and show you. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this quick DIY on how to make your own crinkled tissue paper. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and you will see a picture of me here popping up, and click on that and you can subscribe there, and then click on the video that comes up on the screen as well, and you can go and check out my other videos. So till next time guys, take care, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.